After watching a few instructional videos on YouTube, this man decided to cut down the tree in front of his house himself, and the outcome was quite surprising. He made a significant mistake. As an amateur and not a professional tree faller, he made a reckless choice and miscalculated the direction of the fall, causing the tree to crash the wrong way. Fortunately, luck was on his side. The tree only managed to get his saw stuck and didn't cause any damage to his house. After struggling for hours to free the saw without success, he eventually realized he needed help and called in a professional tree faller to take care of the situation.